Hello all. Today we will discuss about the pandas in Python, a powerful data structure. See, pandas is an open source licensed Python library which will provide high performance, easy to use data structure. It is a data structure. It is a open source and a licensed Python library which will provide high performance. And Python will with pandas is used in a wide range of fields including academic and commercial domains like finance, statistics, business analytics, health analytics, and agriculture analytics, much more. There are so many fields which can use our analytics using pandas with Python. So key features of pandas: data alignment and integrated handling of missing data. We can handle the missing data also, and we can insert and delete the columns from the data structure, and high performance of merging and joining also we can do, and many more statistical operations also we can perform in with this pandas. Later we will see how to perform statistical operations in pandas. So now how to pandas deals with following three data structures. So one data structure is series, and the second is data frame, and third one is the panel. So now we will see one by one what are what is series, data frame, and panel. So series is a one-dimensional labeled homogeneous array, and size is immutable. That means we can't change the size. Suppose there are 100 elements, that means 100 elements we need to use. But data is homogeneous. Suppose numbers, if you are using, we need to use numbers only. Strings are using only strings. That is homogeneous data. It is a one-dimensional array type. Okay, and here elements you can change. Elements mutable. That is the size is immutable here, and elements we can change. This is called the series, one-dimensional data. It is. So suppose in one subject marks, if you want to add like one dimensional array, it will print like this. I will show in Spider editor it is how it will be. Next important is a two-dimensional array. It is called data frame. So it is mutable size and elements. Both are mutable. Here it is not a homogeneous, it is a heterogeneous data. That means suppose this is the index 0, 1, 2, 3. This is the name what, and this is the roll number, and marks 1, marks 2, and marks 3. Suppose this type of data if you want to use with heterogeneous like two-dimensional table if you want to use with different types of data. So this is called data frame, and this is immutable. We can change the size, we can insert the data, and we can delete the column, row, anything, and we can change the size also, and different types of data we can use, and elements also we can change. Suppose a CC name if you want to change, we can change also. Okay, this is a very flexible data, that is a data frame. See, here in this video I'm talking about only series and the data frame. In the next video I will talk about the panel. That was most important, panel also. So what we can do with the data frames, we can do we can suppose if you want to know the column sum also average, like if you want to know the cumulative sum of any row or any column, and minimum, maximum, and mean, average, and standard deviation, and statistical function of skew and kurtosis, and correlation matrix, and these are operations, all operations, statistical operations we can do with data frames we can do. Okay, and later join and merge also, and deleting the rows, columns also we can do. So I will show all these functions. These are the some example functions what we can do with pandas. So how to load CSV or Excel file in Panda? Suppose this pandas will deal with our Excel file as well as with the CSV files also. So if you want to use the pandas, import pandas at PD, you need to write this in a Spider editor, and the data frame is equal to panda PD read CSV. Suppose here it is, if it is Excel file, you need to write Excel, and the path where your CSV or Excel file is stored, that path you need to write here. Okay, so this is how the pandas are deal in Python. So now I will show with the spider editor how to write pandas like this. Okay, so here data frame and uh, uh, series only I'm dealing here. Okay, so this is the spider editor which I have taken here. This is the code clear I have. Okay, this is the first pandas. In pandas first line you need to write import pandas as PD. Okay, and in data, this is like a dictionary data type we are using here. In name, some names I mentioned here, and year, which year it is, year also I mentioned. Suppose this is the report. Okay, so using this data type, the dictionary, we are creating the data frame means that is a tabular form of that particular data. So data frame is equal to df. You need to write one variable for data frame, that is equal to df is equal to pd, that is panda dot data frame. You need to write in capital and f also in capital, data frame. And what is the variable of this dictionary? This is data, so here you need to use data comma, and what index you want to use. Okay, so index is equal to, suppose these are the some cities have used as a index. Okay, for this index, this is the data we need to show. So print data frame. Okay, this is the first like here I created one dictionary, and dictionary, after that this dictionary will be converted into data frame using that syntax PD data frame, and this is the dictionary name, data, and index, what type of index I want to use. Here 1 2 3 also you can use. Okay, so index, it is your wish what index you want to use, and print the data frame. Just I'm running this. See, so index here I have used like the Kochi, and the name is some person, and year is 2000, reports is 4, and Paima this only 2012-24 reports. Like this, it will, you can create a data frame. It is in a tabular form which is having the index like this. Okay, so this is a one type of pandas data frame creation. How can we create a data frame here? Okay, so here we can create, instead of creating a data frame, we can upload Excel file or CSV file also. I will show that also in this editor. So second program, that is equal to here, import pandas as PD, so same line here, and raw data is equal to first name, last name, and dictionary. Here I have created the first name, last name, age, and pre-test score and post-test score. Here I have created. Okay, here I have created, these are the variables. Okay, first name, last name, age. Here what type of variables are, so you can, many type of variables you can take here. So here, and here I have created panda, that is data frame is equal to PD data frame, which data frame, raw data, and columns here I have taken what columns, first name, okay, same, last name, age, and pre-test score and post-test score. Here columns, we can take the same columns, or here 1 2 3 also we can do any name for the columns. Okay, so by running this, see, so this is the index 0 1 2 3 4 5. Here index I have here I have taken only for the columns, not the index in the first. Here index I have taken, that's why in index it has been printed like this. Here index I have not taken anything. Okay, so here only columns I have taken, column name, first name. So index by default it will take 0 1 2 3 4 3 4. Okay, first name, last name, age, retest score, and post test score. Without the index, by default it will take 0 1 2 3 4. Otherwise, if you want to mention the index, you can mention the index also. So this is the one type of creating of a pandas data frame. Hold the screen and run in your spider editor, and in many so like suppose if you are opening how to import pandas, there are many books, something they are described, you need to download the pandas package like that. Here nothing you cannot we can do here in spider editor. We just do the line import pandas at pd, so it will import automatically. By default the package is included here, so it will import the pandas. We can do all the operations here, okay, right? And next I'm going to show how to import one excel file or csv file. So csv file, you know how to create a csv file. Suppose here by opening the microsoft excel, okay, so here you can write anything like column x y z like this. Suppose a x, here y and z, and these are the values I'm going to give. This is equal to 0, 1 and 2, like this. Anything you can store, okay. So here you can save it as any file, that is save as. Here book 1, so here you need to give the excel csv command file, csv, okay. Like it will be stored in a documents or path also you can define, okay, save. So the book 1 CSV will be saved here, okay, and S, okay, and S. It will save as a CSV file, okay, book 1 CSV file, it has been stored. So like this, some CSV files I have already made, okay. So I will import it with from here, okay. So see the third program, the pandas 3. So import pandas as pd, okay. Here df is equal to panda, so you need to write read underscore csv. Here excel also you can write excel. Suppose if you want to import a csv file, you just write read csv, and this is the path in e drive, the raw data dot csv. This is my I have created this file. uh, I have created this file raw data.csv. Okay, print the data frame. Here I'm printing the data frame. Just it will print the CSV. Here in CSV file, I have taken the raw data, some person's name, marks, M1, M2, M3, and roll number of particular student. Okay, so in my raw data, it will be print. Okay, so up to you can select this also. You can print that line up to that line. Okay. So it has been, so here, so this is the what I have printed, okay, 0, this is my data frame, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, name, roll number, and this is the marks 1, marks 2, marks 3. This I have created in a CSV Excel file, like I saved as a CSV file, okay. So here up to this line, after this, I want to print the describe, okay, what M1 for this particular column. I'm using the describe function, what it will do, okay. So we will see what it will do. So here, okay, so here run selection or current line. Okay, see here. So this is the file what we have printed. Here for M1 I have given the describe. So what it has described, count is 6. Okay, total this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is 6 lines only, 6. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means total 6 values are there. Okay, it has given count is 6, and mean for this particular M1 it is equal to 72, and standard deviation is 11, and minimum is 57. See in this column, matlab 75, 66, 85. Which one is the minimum? 57 is the minimum, and here 50% above 70%, 75% above 82%, and maximum is 87. Just look at this, maximum is 87. Okay, so this is the function. Describe means for a particular column, if you want to know everything, and the name is equal to M1 and data type is equal to float 64. By default it will take the float value only. Okay, so like that you need to write print data frame for particular column in square brackets. You need to give, that is M1 I want to know, and dot describe you need to use. So like that, you can use the cumulative function, cumulative sum of m1. Okay, so by running this, just see. So this is the already cumulative function, how it will be. This is the 75 first, and 75 plus, what is the next row? Next value, 75 plus 66, 66 plus 85, like that it will cumulative sum also it will give. If you want to know, 75, 141, 226, the last value is 436, it will give the cumulative sum. And here the kurtosis value is equal to minus 1 point. It is a statistical analysis, and the skew value is equal to 0.0 something. And the correlation, that matrix, if you want to print for that particular uh, value, that is a particular raw data, so it is the m1, m2, m3, these are the values. Roll number, it has been taken, and roll number m1, m2, m3, this is the correlation matrix of the particular uh, raw data, that is equal to CSV file, particular CSV file. So here this is a random value, it has been generated. So here using the pandas, you can use the sum also, average also, dot average, dot sum, dot skew, dot curt, dot mean, dot standard deviation, like that. You can use many functions and create using this statistical function analysis you can do. Okay, so for you, create one Excel file, anything, and use all these functions and do this tonight. So tomorrow we will see some more functions and the pandas, that panel also. What is panel? Here is data frame we have discussed, and some more functions of data frames, and the panel also we will discuss in the next video. Okay, so I hope you understand. Thank you.